To install the DOCLT CLI, start by opening a terminal or command prompt on your computer. The DOCLT CLI is a command line interface tool that allows you to manage your DigitalOcean resources from the command line. First, you need to install the DOCLT CLI on your system. You can do this by running a simple command. For macOS users using Homebrew, you can install doctl by running the command brew install doctl. For Windows users, you can download and install the doctl installer from the DigitalOcean website. For Linux users, you can install doctl using the package manager for your distribution. Once the installation is complete, you need to authenticate your doctl CLI installation with your DigitalOcean account. You can do this by running the command doctl auth init. This command will prompt you to enter your DigitalOcean API token. You can generate an API token by logging into your DigitalOcean account, going to the API section, and clicking on Generate Token. After entering your API token, you can verify that your doctl CLI installation is working by running the command doctl account get. This command will display information about your DigitalOcean account, including your account name and email address. Best practices for using the doctl CLI include keeping your API token secure and up to date, and using the latest version of the doctl CLI. You can update the doctl CLI by running the command doctl update. You should also be careful when using the doctl CLI to manage your DigitalOcean resources, as some commands can have unintended consequences if used incorrectly. In conclusion, installing the doctl CLI is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions in this guide, you can install the doctl CLI and start managing your DigitalOcean resources from the command line.